Hello guys, welcome back to CAD Make. In today's video we are going to create parts, its assembly and animation. We will also customize appearance to give our design a professional look. If you're ready, let's get started. Go to the File menu. Click New. Click on Part and click OK. To increase the sketch resolution more better, go to the Options setting. Click Document Properties. Click on Image Quality, increase the resolutions like this. Click OK. Now go to the sketch. Click on Sketch. Choose the front plane. Now take the center line command. Draw a vertical and a horizontal line passing through the origin point like this. Click Exit. Now take the line command and draw a rough sketch like this. Draw a horizontal line. Then draw a vertical line. Again draw a horizontal and a vertical line. The last one draw touching the center line. Click Exit. Now take the Mirror Entities command. Select these lines like this. Click here and select this line as reference. Click OK. Here we see we have mirrored the sketch. Select this line, hold Ctrl or Shift button and select this line. Make them vertical and equal. Click OK. Again select this line and this one. Make them horizontal and equal. Click OK. Take the Smart Dimension command and give the value to this line as 150 mm. Click OK. Give the value to this line as 15 mm. Click OK. Give the length to this line as 45 mm. Click OK. A little zoom it. Height of this line is 5 mm. Click OK. The distance between this line and this one is 30 mm. Click OK. Here we see our sketch is fully defined. Click here to finish the sketch. Now go to the Features and click on Revolved Boss command. Click here and select the sketch. Click here and select this line as an axis of revolution. Click OK. Press Ctrl+7 to make it normal. Now click on this surface. Click Sketch. Take the Circle command and draw a 160 mm diameter circle here in the origin. Make it for construction. Click OK. Again take the Circle command and draw a 60 mm diameter circle here on Circle quadrant. Click OK. Now take the Circular Pattern command. Click here and select the origin point. Give the pattern number as 4. Click here and select this circle as pattern. Click OK. Now go to the Features and click on Extruded Cut command. Select here through all. Click OK. Here we see we have created a flat belt pulley. It looks perfect and amazing. Now go to the background scene and select plain white. Go to the Visual Styles and select Real View Graphics. Again go to the Visual Styles and choose the Shaded mode. Now go to the Appearance. Click Metal. Click on Magnesium and choose the Burnished Magnesium. It's look perfect and amazing now. It's enough for today. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share and comments. Now go to the File menu. Click on Save. Give the destination folder. Give a specific name to this file. Click Save. Now we are going to jump into the video interesting part, which is assembly and animation. Go to the File menu. Click New. Click on Assembly. Click OK. Click here to close this tray. First we have to set the axis. Go to the reference geometry. Click Axis. Choose here right plane and top plane. Click OK. As we clicked here, the axis is going invisible. To make it visible, go to the Hide Unhide section and click on Axis again. Now go to the reference geometry. Click on Plane. Select the right plane. Give the distance value as 700 mm. Zoom out. We have created a new plane as here we see. Click OK. Now we will draw axis on it. Go to the reference geometry. Click Axis. Go to the part setting and choose here top plane. Click OK. Here see we have created axis 2. Now click on Insert Components. Click Pulley. Place it somewhere in the working area like this. Zoom out. Now right-click on Pulley. Click Float. We can now easily move it anywhere like this. Now click on Mate command. Select this hole and axis 1. Click OK. Again select this surface and select the front plane. Click OK. Again click OK to finish the command. Select the pulley. Hold Ctrl button and drag it to make a copy like this. Take the Mate command. Select this hole and axis 2. Click OK. Now here select the pulley surface. Go to the part setting and click on front plane. Click OK. Again click OK to finish the command. Zoom out and make it normal like this. It looks perfect. Now click on Hide to make the axis invisible. Go to the assembly features and click on Belt and Chain. Choose here this surface and this surface. Select Create Belt Part. Click OK. Again click on Save and Continue. Give the part name and destination folder. Click Save. Escape. Go to the background scene and select plain white. Now click here. Right-click on Belt. Click Open Part. Here we see the pulley part. Make it normal like this. Now click on Right Plane. Click Sketch. Here we will create a belt sketch. For this purpose we will go to the pulley. In Revolve right-click on Sketch. Click Edit Sketch. Here we select this line. This one and this one. Press Ctrl plus C button to copy these 3 lines. Click OK. Click Finish. Make it normal. Rotate like this. Now go to the belt part. In here press Ctrl plus V button and past it. Go to the sketch. Take the line command. Zoom in. Draw a line to close the sketch like this. Click Exit. Now take the Smart Dimension command and label the dimensions on all the sides of this sketch one by one, same as it is like this. Click OK. Zoom in. Click OK. Rotate. Select midpoint, press Ctrl or Shift button and select this point. Make them coincident. Click OK. Zoom in. Now go to the features and click on Swept Boss command. Sketch is already selected, here we see. Just click here and select this line as a path. Click OK. Rotate like this. Press Ctrl+7 to make it normal. Now go to the appearance. Click Painted. Click Car. Choose the candy red color. We have created a perfect, beautiful V-belt. Go to the background scene and select plain white. Now we will go back to the pulley and belt assembly file. Click Yes to accept the changes we made. Here we see we have designed an amazing belt pulley drive mechanism. Zoom it. Go to the visual styles and change its mode. Now click here. Click on Toolbars. Select Motion Manager. Click Motion Study. Now go to Views. Click on Front View. Zoom in. Here click on Setting. Give the frame rate as 30. Click OK. Now click on Motor. Click this face. Rotation is anti-clockwise. Change the RPM to 300. Click OK. Here open the settings. Drag this key to 12 seconds. Minimize it. Click Calculate. Wait a little to calculate the motions. Calculating completed. Now just click on Play button. Here we see the perfect animation of belt pulley drive. It enough for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share and comments. Thanks for watching.